bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Align Motions and this is Vishal and today I am here to discuss you how to use pen tool as a selection. So let's start the video and take your pen tool and simply draw over the corners. You can also firstly make the rough selections, then after correct it. And guys, when you draw your selection, just select your pen tool and right click from your mouse and select the option make selection and set the feather radius to 0 pixels and click OK. It converts it into selection. Then you have to simply click on this mask option to mask it and just hold the control key and select this thumbnail icon and go to your background layer and again click on this mask icon and you can now delete your shape layer. And guys, our selection is ready. It really looks fantastic. You can also use any of the background color using solid color adjustment layer and bring it to down. This is look cool. And to make realistic, just take a new blank layer. Now take your brush tool and set the color to black and just hold the alt key and drag like this. And it looks real. So here is the guys. If you like this video, just subscribe the channel and share the video and press the bell icon also for latest updates. Thank you.